TV News. My name is Mia Matthews. The date today is May 26, 2015, and the weather is partially cloudy with a high of 23 degrees Celsius. Today we will show you coverage from the senior girls soccer team's win over Herman's last night, as well as the results from the 2015-2016 Student Council elections. But first we will start with our Eco Tip of the Month with Aiden Banks.
Thank you, Mia. I appear to be standing in front of an ordinary garden in Massey. You can find a wide variety of flowers, shrubs, and trees. What might not stand out is the simple-looking Japanese barberry shrub. It resembles any other plant. It's easy to plant and grow. However, in reality, it is an invasive species. The Japanese barberry is native to Japan. It was introduced to North America in the 1870s. These plants were used in hedges and were grown as ornamental plants, so their popularity allowed them to spread across the continent. These plants also produce an alarming amount of seeds that are carried to new locations by birds. This is an image of the Japanese barberry plant. It can be found in different locations around Windsor, but is also available inside greenhouses. Please meet Saprit Singh, a representative from Windsor's local campaign against the Japanese barberry plant named Bring Down Barberry.
Hi, Aiden. Okay, so today I'm here to talk to you about the issues and effects surrounding the Japanese barberry plant. Our main issues with it is at the rate at which it spreads and how it displaces native species. The plant produces seeds at a very fast rate in very, very large amounts, and it can also grow from contact between bush and soil. Once it starts growing, it becomes very thick and dense, and it makes it very hard to control. Some of the effects of having Japanese barberry in the area are increased nitrogen, which leads to increased earthworms in the soil. Once you have increased earthworms, they get rid of leaf litter, which doesn't allow for very many plants to grow, which are native. This also alters pH levels in the soil, which is soil acidity. Japanese barberry is a tough plant and can survive in drought, shade, and many other different types of conditions that not very many normal plants can handle. The presence of Japanese barberry is also linked with Lyme disease. The shrub is home to carriers of disease such as white-footed mice and black-legged ticks. Studies actually show that if you got rid of Japanese barberry populations, it would decrease tick populations by 80%.
Thank you, Saprit, for the valuable information about the Japanese barberry plant.
No problem, Aiden, anytime.
Now that you know what it is, what can you do, Massey? I'm here with Eliza Rizvi, a local ecologist and expert on invasive plants. She's going to tell us how we can get rid of the Japanese barberry.
Hey Massey, as you might know, this plant can be a serious health concern to both you and the ecosystem. With our help, we can try our best to stop these plants. The Japanese barberry's strength is reproduction. The shrub is available in nurseries, so if people were to stop buying the plant and planting them in their gardens, the population would be much easier to contain. What you can do right now is learn to recognize these plants so you can avoid planting them in your garden, or you can remove them if you ever see them. The Japanese barberry is a rounded shrub from 1 to 2 meters tall and is one of the first plants to bloom in the spring. The leaves are smooth-edged and ovate and cluster near bushes near the branch. The flowers are yellow and bloom in May and turn red in the fall. The fruits that grow on it are red, which mature in the springtime. That mature in the summertime. If you were to ever uproot a Japanese barberry, remember to never throw it in the compost, because that will allow the plant to grow even more, which we definitely do not want.
Thank you, Eliza.
You're welcome.
Now that you have all the information you need about the Japanese barberry, don't hesitate to help us rid Windsor of this plant. Also, if you would like to learn more information, please stop by the Massey office and pick up one of these pamphlets so that you can learn more information. Back to you, Mia.